To get suggestion for detected languages while using live caption on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, so you can know if there's a new language requires downloading to get caption, you have to enable Suggest Detected Languages option within the live caption setting menu. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live caption. Scroll down the screen. Under setting section, tap the gray on offset next to Suggest Detected Languages until the switch turns blue to turn it on. With this setting, when you are using live caption and the media you are playing is spoken in new language, you will be notified to download that language to get caption. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.